Hello people, my name is Prince Tain and welcome to my YouTube channel. What we're going to do today is we're going to do a quick installation process of the IQoptions trading platform. So Ratrovita guys, you go to any web browser that you use, and then I use CryptoTab browser. So you open your web browser, make sure you have internet connection. Then on the search bar you type IQoption download. Yeah, so like you type that on your search bar. Then these things you don't click on that. Then you come here and then you click the first link that you see. I mean this one which is written IQoption.com. Then you click on that. Yeah, network can be kind of slow, so you just have to wait and be patient. IQoption, I use IQoption because like it is easy to use, and also it is easy when it comes to understanding yeah, it is easy to understand IQoption. Okay, so once you click at that link, you come to a page here. Okay, so IQoptions, and it is available for your Android smartphone, and it so you can download, if you have a smartphone, you can download the IQoption trading platform for Android. Then also if you have an Apple, I mean an iPhone, you can actually download it on Apple Store. But the best way is actually to use it on a Windows OS operating system, because like when you're using it per computer, right, only access to my indicators akawandisa, and also application zvakawandisa, so it'll be easy. And it so you just download, you click here and then you download the application, and then I already have the application, so you just click this link and then we'll install the application. Yeah, okay, so once you have installed the application, you can actually find it on your desktop. It looks like this. It's written IQoption. Then you actually double click on the icon, then it will take you to this page here. When you've actually clicked the icon, this is the welcome page. So per page, right, it will ask you to use the email address or phone number and also the password. If you want to create the account, you can actually use the link in the description below, and you put your email address here or phone number. So I'm going to put my email address here. Okay, and my password is automatically generated because like I'm registered already. So what you do is you click this login button here after why some details are go. They need to load. Yeah, sometimes net fast, sometimes net slow, depending on network yako. Network group buys, so you know it's sometimes slow. Yeah, anyways, do Bono Shika, but the moment Bono click a sign in, and this is the page that you first see per application. As you can see, this is the welcome page. So per corner panap, like ngatangire kuno correct. Kuno you have this thing here, and practice account. But two types of account, but practice account and also the real account. So you can switch to practice account or real account. But I can click at this button, then you know practice or real account. Yeah, go. For example, you can click on it. This is my real account. So like you can just click up real account and practice account. So the difference between the real account and practice account is that the real account, that's where you actually trade using real money. But not deposit money, you'll be trading using the real money. And practice account is the account you're not shandisa for practicing. Money is not real. It's the real money, but then I want to withdraw. I want to withdraw or to deposit into this account they practice. What IQoption does is, put $10,000 you can trade an eye. Yeah, so if you want to deposit money, and you click here plans deposit, and then comes up and up this page. Let's do like account yako wapedza mari iri practice account. You can just click up and fill up to 10,000. That's like topping up your account. And it then here by your account inokupa this option to top up your account. Minimum amount which you can deposit into an IQoption account is $10. So if you click it up up this page. As you can see, I use a Visa card to deposit money into my IQoption. This is my Visa card number here. I can show you. So you can use Bitcoin to deposit, and you can use your Bitcoins to deposit money into IQoption, or Netela, it's in e-wallet, and it or Perfect Money, another e-wallet, or Skrill account, it's another e-wallet. Then also a Visa MasterCard, that's the one which I'm using, or Web Money, WMC. Okay, so you can choose the amount of money which you want to deposit. If you want to deposit 100, you just type here. If you want to deposit 30, 20, 50, you just click any. Or if you can buy any amount you want to deposit, but then it's not your work, you can just erase this and then put the amount, $12, $120, whatever. And it, but then you cannot put an amount which is less than $10, as you can see here. All right. So okay, so in the last video I touched on how to install the IQoption platform and also how you can deposit money into the application. So right now takuda so like application yachambomira sei kuti zvinoreva zvese zviri paskrini apo kuti zvanga zviomborewe. So anga muri kuona here pakanyonzi Bitcoin. Actually takavhura Bitcoin asset, and takavhura Bitcoin asset. That's the graph reBitcoin ratiri kuona iri kuindicate current price movement. As you can see, this is the current price right now, 47,562.57. Irambe ichichinja, so it's never a fixed value. And as you can see, the date is 21/36. Okay, whatever date right on it. So iri kutitaurira price Bitcoin at this current time, and that's what this graph is actually all about. And iri kutaura price, and so like kukwira kwainenge chinenge chitaurawo kukwira kweprice, kudzika iri kutaura kudzika kweprice. So if you actually look here, and like I said, the Bitcoin asset, and so if you want to open another asset, and for example for maybe my currency pairs related to forex trading, cryptocurrency Bitcoin, but for forex trading or my binary or options, whatever, we need to open new asset panika plus sign. So like what clicker innovate this thing, and so anga murukon up Pan's watch list. It's like a star on any of the assets or good. I need to say star on crude oil, and but then the option up my options pane binary, and also pane digital, and so these ones, my options are it's different from forex trading, but then it's one and the same thing, and so panobudisira futi all about forex, and yeah, it will not load because of my network. As you can see, connection service lost. Yeah, ukayapa on forex, and inokubudisira my currency pairs are available, and these ones are they open in a day, 1 day 9 hours, and what it means is right now this video and record on the weekend, and so these assets are actually closed. They open every Monday to Friday, but then during the weekends anongakavara. So at the moment I'm constantly could trade on these assets. But then as you can see, like pane my currency pairs, pane US dollar in the Japanese yen, and so cannot trade the US dollar in the Japanese yen. You open that one. The US dollar in the Swiss franc, I think so, yeah. The US dollar and the Canadian dollar, the New Zealand dollar and the US dollar, New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. So like my currency pairs this, and yes, I don't want to trader. That is forex trading. So I have the stocks, and my stocks, and if you cannot invest in my stocks, so tenga my shares, whatever the stuff, my stocks, you just come up on the stocks, and so like my stocks are available, it's 177, and also up on my forex current space is 25, my options is 21, so there are 177 stocks are available, and also the same thing per weekend, so I cannot buy or sell those stuff. But then you my stocks account this, even if you can search to Facebook, I think yeah, Facebook, so like if you want to buy trader, stocks like on Facebook shares you can just buy papa nditka. If you want, maybe tika search uti Google, I'm not sure, let's see. Yeah, Google inobuda futi, as you can see, you can buy my shares Google. Each share is starting at 2000 and 2096. Yeah, that's the current price you take my shares in Google, but then you can start buying as little as a small amount. So anyway, my stocks aripo apakawandisa. Some of the major companies that knows here, I think you know consumer one papa pandit Spotify, if you know Spotify, Snapchat, Starbucks. I made them but then Starbucks is there. Pinterest, yeah, this one is for viewer pictures. PayPal iripo. So you see my stocks aripo up. Then tax were up, we come to crypto, and it got 26. There are 26 cryptocurrencies available. So you can trade either of these. As you can see, my cryptocurrencies are Africa here. I can trade them right now. And yeah, so there's this one, and Bitcoin times 100. It's another type of cryptocurrency. I think they copycated Bitcoin, I'm not sure. And then we have Bitcoin here, and it can do another for Bitcoin is the one which is famous at this. Then there's another Bitcoin called Binance and Ditka. There's another one called Cardano. There's another one called Ontology. But then the ones that I know very much and Ditka, let's see. It's a Bitcoin, Binance, Cardano, Ethereum, IOTA, Ripple, Cosmos, Tron. Yeah, Ripple. These are ones and Ditka. Those are the ones that I know. Litecoin, Dash, yeah. So that's the thing about these ones and it from a crypto. Then tikayapa my commodities is just this stuff, and a crude oil, and a gold, and a silver, crude oil, Brent. I'm not sure about what that means. And it so these are also the other things which you can trade on. If you wanna trade my commodities, you can come here with region commodities. Then we have ETFs, and it can also. If you cannot trade them ETFs, Aripo, you can also trade this stuff. Yeah, that's the thing about these things. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. In our next video we're going to be looking at my indicators. We're going to see with my indicators to my chance up, we're gonna drop it to say actually my indicators, they help us to see when we should enter a market or when we should exit a market, and also they help us to create my signals in it. So that's what we're going to be looking at, my indicators like the IQoptions platform, one about my indicators and also my types of indicators. Okay, thank you for watching this video guys. Stay tuned for the next video.